Hey guys, vanakkam. This is my first ever video blogging, and here the first time I want to make sure that I make everything right. But yes, there are going to be a lot of mistakes, and I want you guys to guide me through this entire vlog because this vlog is particularly about my travel, and this travel log is more of how economically you can make this trip and also how efficiently you can bargain with people and how you can book your tickets and how you can plan your shopping before your trip. So that also counts because we had a lot of things which we missed out and we had to spend a lot of money on that. Of course, every single penny which you earn has to be spent with some reason to it, right? Without having any kind of basic idea about a trip, if you jump into it, that can be a miserable one. So yes, this vlog, we are going to talk more about those experiences and how you can avoid those unwanted expenses, and also how you can enjoy this trip effectively and the partner whom you're taking along with, be it your wife, your friends, or your family. You can enjoy your trip throughout. So here are a few tips and tricks, and my entire vlogging is going to be right from the day when we started from Chennai, and then the day when we landed to Bali and other places we explored in Bali itself. And then we came back, and there were like a lot of fun-filled experiences, and I'm really excited. I'm going to share this all with you. Stay tuned. We are gonna also have a lot of contacts. More than talking about the experiences, I should make sure that you reach out to the right people. And what are all the websites you need to verify before you travel, and what are all the other websites through which you can book your hotels, and how which is going to be your safe transactions, and whether how much cash you'll have to take there, and about the visa, and there are a lot of other things involved. So stay tuned to my upcoming videos, and I'll be posting a lot about uh, experiences on the food, on the travel locally inside Bali, and a lot more is awaited. So stay tuned guys, and please do subscribe and let me know in comment section, like in case of anything more is needed when the video vlogging is going on. It was nice meeting you guys for the first time, and I hope you guys enjoy my vlogging. Thank you.